Oh, what are you guys waiting for? I mean, do you need an engine? What are you waiting for when it comes to buying one of our trucks? What are you waiting for? That engine has no miles on it. Everything's new. What are you waiting for? Rebuilt vacuum pump, remanufactured injection pump, computer, reflashed, new fuel pump, fuel filter. Everything's redone. The whole engine, top to bottom, soup to nuts. Isn't that what they call it, Anthony?
That's right.
Soup to nuts. And you can thank Anthony for that one because he did all that for you. But I'm telling you right now, what are you waiting for? Do you need an engine? Do you need your engine rebuilt? Do you want a truck with a new engine? 607-423-7729. NYDiesels.com. John at NYDiesels.com is the email. I can't help you if you don't call. And when you're stuck on the side of the road, who are you going to call? I can't help you then unless you're within, I don't know, 1,000 miles. I'm not going to be able to help you. So you, before your engine goes, or before you go and buy a truck from somebody else, or before you have somebody else build your engine and they don't put it back together with new parts, that's not a good thing because we used to subcontract a lot of our work until we found out that those shops weren't very reputable, some of them. So now we make sure that we check everything with our shops that we do work for, with documentation, and all of our work is documented. So you know what you're going to get. So remember that the next time you go looking for a truck, need engine work, or need an engine, call us first. Oh, yeah.